Welcome to each and every one of you and my old member team and new members. Welcome all of them. Today I am showing you the very important update of Solmax Group Company of i200. Okay, this is my registration link. Before starting, I always welcome to new members and old members whose their accounts is inactive. Okay, either they message the Solmax Group Company to reactivate their inactive or frozen accounts, or either they want to create new account and activate that. Okay, this registration link you will find into the description of this video. How to register? Just click or copy or paste onto the browser. Okay, after clicking, it will open automatically onto a browser. Then just fill this form: your first name, last name, your email, okay, Gmail or another email like outlook.com, yahoo.com, and so on, and choose a username and select your country, enter your mobile number and check to yeah. After that, just click here to submit. Your registration will be completed and you will be automatically added into my team. Remember, during registration you must watch URL address onto the browser, this name MUHAMMAD1. okay, then you will be automatically added into my team and you will get weekly team bonus, and team bonus is great. In previous videos I have already told you team bonus is 50% you will get in weekly. Okay, I again welcome to new members and old members. Reactivate their accounts, frozen accounts, message support of Solmax Group Company. They can reactivate, or if they have not invested, just registered, then they can register new username using same link and activate their accounts. Okay, it's total up to you. Now I am going to show you very important update of Solmax Group Company. That is what Solmax Group Company or i200 update. Important update, every one of you and my old team. Remember this. Okay, who's already invested in old back office of Solmax Group Company? Old back office website is what? solmaxglobal.com. that is old back office. Okay, solmaxglobal.com or office.igniter100.com. okay, both websites you will find into the description of this video. Remember this, old members, this update especially for you. Okay, what is update? Now old members, you must invest new back office of Solmax Group Company, otherwise your old back office account will be frozen. Frozen means, that means temporary blocked. Okay, if not invested in i200 following website, and minimum investment is $25, and new back office website of i200, what is this? office.solmaxgroup.com. this link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, why here is important? Most important, because your old account all balance of cash account, okay, your portfolio balance, okay, your saving account, hold you will receive, okay, here into new back office of i200 or igniter100.com website, okay, just update your profile, your bank account, okay, because i100 is going to will be exit. Why? Because i200 started, okay, whose old member accounts will be frozen or blocked, they will message support of solmaxgroup.com and they can reactivate their accounts, okay. This message only old members, old of my team, new members who is new to join solmaxgroup.com or i200, okay, they this message ignore new members. Why? They simply use this link or my referral link, as I have already told you, okay, they registered their accounts and start investment. Just new members just register their accounts and start investment, okay, in this way. This message that members who already invested in old back office, okay, clearly understand, or any confusion, comments below in the description of this video, okay. Now see, my account is also, as you know, that my account is also in i100. Now see how I am activating my account, okay, in i200. Just minimum investment is $2,500 or $2,500 gift code. You can activate it into i200 in my old back office. Then I will receive my all old balance account, okay, in this way after investment of $25. Clearly understand? Now see how to do into practical. Okay, as you will see here, I have already a gift code. Enter this gift code to activate your account or invest $25 directly as your wish. Okay, I have already purchased a gift code. Just I am entering this gift code to activate my old back office account. See how to do this. Okay, first I am opening a browser. As you will see here, I have already opened browser new back office solmaxgroup.com. You remember it, okay. New back office is solmaxgroup.com and old back office is solmaxglobal.com, okay. Now use this solmaxgroup.com, okay. Enter your captcha, verification code, click here to login. Okay, after clicking here login, as you will see here, my old back office account package plan is what? Basic means I have already invested $100 pound, 100 pound, not dollar. Now you can invest dollar, okay. New back office package plans is in dollars, 25, minimum $25, okay. As you will see here, my loyalty balance, all account balance is showing here, okay. Now I want to reactivate my old back office account, or I want to transfer and receive my old back office balance. So I want to investing $25 or using gift code of $25, okay. For investing or reactivating your account, just click here shop, okay. As you will see here, where here, click here to shop. Okay, just click here shop. After clicking shop, as you will see here is four options: packages or gift code. If you want to invest directly $25, $50 and so on, click here using your Bitcoin wallet or perfect money, okay, as you will, or bank account. But now click here to packages. Okay, which packages? Just click here packages. After clicking here packages, as you will see here, minimum investment is $25. Okay, just select I want to invest or reactivate my account using this $25 smart package plan. Check this. After checking this, and as you will see here, this option remain is it is as it is. Don't uncheck this, leave it. Okay, I have already told you in previous videos, I want to receive promotional loyalty points with my educational package. Okay, leave it as it is. Now click here to next. Okay, after clicking this, as you will see here, there are many options to activate your account, but in this case I have already gift code, so I am clicking here gift code because I have already purchased gift code. Okay, in previous videos I have already told you how to purchase or buy gift code to activate your package. Okay, just click here, enter gift code here. As you will see here, I have already selected $25 package plan. Okay, loyalty points, yes, because I have already leave loyalty points as it is. Don't uncheck that point. Okay, as you will see here, $25. Just paste gift code here and click here to submit. Now I am copying gift code. Okay, just click here to copy and paste here and click here to submit. This is your final step. As you will see here, gift code is correct and valid. Your package transaction is now complete, successful. As you will see here is our details. Today's date 24th August 2021, payment approved, gift code, package plan is $25, and you can also download your and start download and click here to open. Okay, this is your proof of investment. As you will see here, 24 August and username. Okay, all details you will found here. Okay, $25 package plan and smart package plan, everything. Okay, this is your proof of investment. Another benefit of this. Okay, investment report. Okay, just click here to download your investment report. in this way. Now click here to dashboard. After clicking here to dashboard, as you will see here, now packages, as you will see here, loyalty point 4375. This loyalty point, okay, remember it's here just showing this loyalty $25 loyalty point included your package plan, and you will receive total loyalty points, okay, as day by day in 175 days. End of the contract, you can receive day by day profits. Okay, this is total loyalty points showing here. In this way you can activate your package plan, okay, and old members, they can reactivate their accounts in i200. Why? They will receive their old balance of i100 package plan in this way. Okay, they will save their accounts will be frozen or blocked. Just invest or $25 minimum investment to activate their accounts in this way. Okay, and new members also can join, okay, using same link, and again welcome new members. Okay, I hope you will understand everything in this video. God bless you, every one of you. Okay, I hope you enjoy this episode of new video. Okay, I again hope you will enjoy my YouTube videos. Okay, just watch and see all cryptocurrency videos in this way, and first you all learn, then you can earn. Okay, in this way. Thanks.